Sorry guys, I got bought one of these new Ariens Ikons, and it surged since the day I got it. Wasn't sure why, so I pulled off the carburetor there. It's full of all this stuff. Not really sure what it is, to be honest. Looks almost like sawdust. Not really sure. But we pulled it off. One thing, I didn't want to take all these covers off, but the bottom of the carb has this little solenoid on it. Not 100% sure what it does. I don't know if it's a gas shutoff or what, but you need a special wrench to do it. So I took this 11mm Craftsman here. It didn't fit, but it has to be skinny to fit in between the bowl and this. So the only thing I had was an 11mm. I couldn't remember ever using it. I cut it out with my little Milwaukee here. Got her to fit on there. Yeah, I'm not sure what it was though. It's right from the brand new from Lowe's, like this. And this Kawasaki fr691v surged. Hoping this was it. Clean it out a little bit. Clean out the bottom of the carb. See what it does. I also switched the fuel filter on it. That's just a little inline. It goes in front of the motor there by the fuel tank. Sits down there, and it's got a little wire that hooks to it, so I'm not really sure what this thing does. Let's see if that fixed it. Like I said, I put a new fuel filter on it up here too. It's hard to see. And it's right there at the front of the engine. This thing was surging at an idle. Up and down, up and down, up and down. Well, it seemed to fix it. Hope it helps.